I visited Cedar Point, America's rock and roller coast. This is my experience from day one. Enjoy. I got my disability pass and my drink all day wristband. Now I'm gonna go to Gatekeeper because I think it's like right down there. So I'll see you guys when I'm there. I just got off Gatekeeper. It was tame. The only part that really was kind of intense was the bottom of that wing overdrop, which made me kind of gray out. It's probably like 9:20 by now. I'm gonna go out around Musk because that's supposed to be like actually good. So I'll see you guys there. Change of plans. We're actually going to Millennium Force because I forgot that was open and I'm not waiting in or broke down or something. And so I'm going to Millennium Force, whatever the hell that is. Since I last saw you guys, I rode Millennium Force and Steel Vengeance. So my opinions. Millennium Force, I actually kind of agree with people. It's kind of forceless. It's more just like meandering around or whatever, and it's just like overbank turns and stuff, but it does have some good airtime moments. And the Millennium Force is forces, but there's good airtime moments. And after the first job, there's this overbank turn that I actually hard grade out on, so yeah, I was surprised. You know, the rest of the lot is forceless. And then Steel Vengeance is overrated, but I feel like it's better in the back. Cause in the back it's more aggressive, I feel like. But Wildcats Revenge is still better. So my ranking so far I've been on Millennium Force, Steel Vengeance, and I've been on Gatekeeper. So number 3 so far would be Gatekeeper. Number 2 is Steel Vengeance. Actually no, number 2 is Millennium Force and number 1 is Steel Vengeance. But that'll probably change once I get on Maverick, which I'm doing right now, so let's go. Okay, so I'm also try to get on Wilderness 1. I don't know how that goes. If they say you can't ride because I'm too tall, whatever, I'll say I'm a cushion. She's just thinking I'm pretty tall. I would literally get on my knees and beg him if I have to. You want that right? I am literally a credit hog. I would do anything to get a credit. So I'm gonna ride Maverick first, then I'll get the Iron Dragon credit. Someone take out the phone. Did somebody take out the phone? It stopped on the left. Did somebody take out the phone? I'm gonna wait here to see what happens and I'll let you guys know. There we go, guys. I think what happened was it was actually stuck on the left. I don't think it was some phone. I think it was generally stuck on the left. I've never seen that happen. Every time I see something stopped on the left, it's always because of a phone. Well, that's a new one for me at least. This keeps moving, so I gotta go over it fast before these things close. Because every time I've been over here today, it's like always closed. So, well, it's always closed the second I get there. But let's go to Maverick. And I think I'm gonna mention this on a community post, but also just, this is not confirmed. But August 10th and 11th, I might be in Wildwood, New Jersey at Maury's Piers for Coasting by the Ocean. So, because I've actually never been to that event, and somehow I need like all the questions there, but I haven't even been there. This section is really nice. One sec, I'll show you. I think we're in Frontier Town, so it's supposed to look like. Oh, I might be able to grab this way. Okay, there we go. So I might go to Maury's Piers in Wildwood, New Jersey. It's not confirmed, but we're gonna try our best. And if not, I think I'm definitely going to like somewhere. I'm definitely going to another amusement park this summer. I don't know where yet though. Let's give our condolences to Tata too.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Which probably won't open today or the rest of the year. I love you. Well, actually, I don't know, I haven't even written you, so. I'm about to watch the Avengers, guys. Oh, I just got off Maverick and I think it's not that warm and it's still kind of the morning, so it's not as warmed up. But so far, I'm pretty sure it's my favorite in the park, but I need to get more rides on it. Also, what I need to do is actually need to get into one of these because I'm freaking sick of it. So what happened, or what's been happening is, one day, I'm gonna sit down and I'll show you guys. So see how right here it says date valid the second, June 22nd, 24. Yeah, so that's kind of like, and then down here it says, not June, July 22nd, 2024. Down here it says July 21st, 2024. And I've been having trouble because like they keep saying at Steel Vengeance and Maverick that like I can't ride because of this. So like I just told them that because this is what another ride app told me. On Steel Vengeance, the person said that I should be fine as long as this one is right, but like I've had trouble twice, so like I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna go to my mom and tell. Oh, actually, I know where there's one I'm working on. I'm gonna tell them. Eating food. This is a lot. This is lobster, rice, fries. And for my dessert, I got, it's called Oreo Parfait, and it's actually really good. Then got lemonade, and my mom got
Salad, potatoes.
yeah, salad, potatoes, and stuff. So yeah, I also have to charge my phone because it's running out of battery. So we're gonna find something because I will not end this vlog. Under the weather app, it's not raining right now, so I'm gonna wait for my mom to come back from the bathroom. And then I'm gonna go ride Valraven because I think that's near here somewhere. Actually no, wait, actually no. I'm gonna go ride Wild Mouse. What's up, guys? So I'm doing something right now, but I got off Maverick a little while ago. This is the first initial reaction. So my initial reaction is I think I need to get more rides on it because it was I said it in the middle called front row, but basically it's actually really good. The airtime on the hill is good, but then the launch, I feel like the second launch is not forces, but not like that, not like too accelerated. But then I think it's really good. So yeah, I think it's my number one in the park so far. Other than Steel Vengeance, Millennium Force, Maverick, Gatekeeper, and something else I think. But yeah, out of those 4 or 5, whatever, is my number one. So that I'll see you guys later. Then now go on Wild Mouse because I tried to go on this earlier, but it wasn't even open for early entry for whatever reason, and it's kind of raining. I don't think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and also it's not raining that bad, so stuff should still be open. But I'll see you. Well, oh, also something I forgot to mention at the beginning is I'm actually gonna add official park point of views because I'm not recording point of views. So yeah, I'm gonna ask what the accessibility line is. So whoa, what is this? This is already the best Wild Mouse I've ever been on. I was sitting with other people. Usually, you know how usually you spin more of like it's uneven or whatever. I was spinning and my car was like completely full. Like actually, that was insane. But I'm gonna go to add that to my credit list. But I'm gonna go probably back to Gatekeeper. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to Gatekeeper. They don't allow like phones or whatever in the station of Gatekeeper, so I have to leave my phone with my mom because I'm not gonna get locker. Like I'm not spending like however much money on a locker. So I'll see you guys after Gatekeeper. Just got off of Raptor in the rain, and I got off of I don't know how to say it, Troika. It's something, I don't know. I'll show like a screenshot of the ride like here, so you can see how it's spelled or whatever. But and the way my pass works is I can't ride anything into 345, which I think I actually hate, because how am I supposed to get all the credits throughout the way like pretty much an hour before I ride something, you know? So I'm gonna sit here and then I'm gonna head over. Oh, and my next ride is gonna be on Valraven. I'm gonna head over to Valraven and I'm gonna ride that. Which I think I need to put my phone in a locker for that, but leave my phone with my mom. Guys, it's been like 2 hours since the last trip, but what I've done is I went on Maverick again, I went on Millennium Force, I rode Raptor, and I rode Valraven. Valraven actually was like kind of rough, but given that I was on the endest seat possible, seats that are farther away from the track would be rougher. But yeah, so now we're getting Panda Express. This is actually really good. I definitely suggest coming here. Yo, I just got off Woogaroo and that was so not good. Woogaroo is right here. I just got off Woogaroo. That was actually, I could tell, like, so see right here, like, when it went down to the turnaround, I could tell it was gonna be rough the second we went through it. Now we are on the train. From Maverick, maybe, I don't know, but I'm gonna get some footage while I'm on the train. It is the Phantom Track. The Phantom Track of Millie, aka Millennium Force, aka Millennium Force. I just got off of Steel Vengeance. I pretty much almost lost my voice. That shows you how much I scream. Like, I guess I just needed a night ride because Steel Vengeance, I feel like it's literally as good as Maverick now. I'm now gonna try to get the last ride of the night on Millennium Force. So I'm gonna get the last ride of the night on Millennium Force. Oh, also on Steel Vengeance, I forgot to mention, I got pelted in the face, eyes, and mouth with bugs. At least I think some entered my mouth. You know, it's kind of disgusting to think about.